Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, let's take a look on the gold market. Situation here stands really interesting. So the pullback that we discussed yesterday has happened, but well, actually currently it's not. The major point that we need to pay attention to, so that was expectable, that should happen because market has completed 127 extension of the butterfly and more or less, but some retracement should be done here. But what's more interesting is that market right now stands, take a look at it, keeps valid both trend lines. So at first it stands above the trend line of this broken range with the minor retracement, and what's more important is market stands above the previous top. So you can see it has retested this level and now stands above it. Also take a look, the market is coming closer to MACD line. It means that here our task is to get correct answer on the question what to expect. Either we will get deeper retracement on gold market with some pullback at least to 30% of this overall action, or even lower maybe, or market will start upward action to the 1820 area right from here. Because do not forget that besides of this target we also have 1823, and our reverse head and shoulders on the 4-hour time frame chart, this pattern is still valid. It has the XOP at the same area. So if market will keep the bullish sentiment, and we know that the fundamental background points that indeed market is bullish, because really big interest right now stands to the gold, it means that sooner or later by the 1823 target should be reached. And now we should understand how it will happen, either immediately with the minor pullback and market will restart upward action, or we will get a bit deeper preparation, deeper retracement before upward reversal. So on the daily chart, as we said, today and tomorrow we will keep an eye on this MACD predictor line, because it could give us the hint, could give us the confidence that, for example, if grabber will be formed, well, that suggests that market will show upward action and tends to take it out of this top. That's important. On the intraday chart, let's take a look on the 4-hour time frame chart. What we have, reversal here has happened straightforward, so it's really fast action. And take a look at right to the consolidation that we mentioned previously. So you remember we said that keep an eye on this consolidation. It will be very important, because if market will break it down, it suggests deeper retracement. If it will hold here, it will keep chance on upward continuation. And take a look, market right now stands approximately in the same range where it was before this final stage of this rally. But take a look what we have. We have bearish divergence with this area right at the butterfly target. So I would say that the chances on a deeper retracement currently stands not really bad. And that's why within the few hours in this session I offer you to take a look at this pattern. So take a look, we have the collapse. Here market has formed the bullish grabber, and this grabber suggests the upward continuation. So I would watching for this pattern. Regardless patterns gold likes to form, especially during the retracements. Here is 1777 fib level and a target of the AB equals CD pattern. That will be agreement resistance, where potentially we could consider taking the scalp short position. So maybe it will not go straight forward right back down, but some minor reaction here probably will happen that should let us to move stops to the break even, and then we will see what will happen. If market break this area and continue upward action right to this level, maybe this already will be accompanied by the daily grabber. That will be the clear sign that we should be ready for upward breakout and moving to the 1823. But if market will reach this level, starting dropping lower, and exceeds the minimum target, will show some straightforward action, it means that we are going to the 1750. That's simple. That's why this level is very important, because it will clarify what to expect. And also this is a suitable area for taking the short position, at least for a minimal pullback as a scalp trade, or with a break-even stop on a board, you could just keep this position and see what will happen. Once the stop will be moved to the break-even and the minimum pullback, you could relax and just see whether this indeed will become the downward action. If yes, well, $25 per contract, it will be great achievement with this trade. For others, for the bulls, it's this, if you do not intend to go short, well, that will be the moment of truth, whether it makes sense to take the long position or not. So breakout of this level, upward action tells you that market's going higher. So that's what we see currently on the gold market.